Hey everybody, this is Eric Collects Travel Videos, and I'm here in Lviv again, and Ukraine, and I've got my new Airbnb, and it's interesting. Let me show you the situation, you know, I think this goes to tell you how. I mean, you know, and in the pictures, you can't tell, and it certainly didn't disclose it in the description. But let me show you the situation. Thanks, everybody. Okay, so the room is on the first floor. So you come up the first floor, and this is the door, and it's a big, huge, heavy door, which is nice. So that's all good, and it's got certainly lots of locks and all that stuff, and there's locks up on top and everything else. And so let me go in here, and I can lock this. Okay, so it locks fine. I think that's locking fine. Okay, I think that's right. Okay, so it locks, and then let me show you the room. So this is the room, and so I posted pictures of this, and it all looks really nice and really lovely. It's got great mirrored ceiling and high ceilings, 10 feet at least, and TV, a nice couch, tables and chairs and all that stuff. There I am. Hi, everybody. And a bed. And so all that's wonderful. And then we go in here to this is the linen area, or your closet, I guess. So it's got extra towels, which is perfect, extra sheets, a dryer, or a clothes ironer, vacuum, all that stuff, drawers. So all of this is perfect. Even a hanger, umbrella, which is perfect. No problem, no harm, no foul there. I don't know what's over here, just cabinet space. What's in here? More closet, yep, more closet space. So where's the kitchen? Where's the bathroom? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to unlock your door. And then open this door, and somebody lives there. And then you open this door, and then you go in here, and this is your kitchen. And so it's got a full-size refrigerator, which is fine and lovely. It's got a nice big freezer, which is fine and lovely. Washing machine, stove, oven, microwave, coffee pot, hot water heater, which is all good. Dishes, which is all good. I'll take care of all that and wash everything a 3 times. And silverware, and I can sharpen those knives. I have a knife sharpener. And then you go over here and you have your bathroom. Is there a light? Yes, there is. And is there what does this do? Oh, it's a plug. Okay. And it's got a nice shower. That's all fine. It's got the big head on top and the little head that comes off and all that. Sink, toilet, a window. I don't know what that is, but it's unplugged. Is that a hot water heater too? I don't know. I guess I'll have to figure that out. So the problem is that is the situation here in the middle. That somebody lives there, and that's in between my rooms. So does that mean I need to unlock my bedroom door and then open it and then lock it? I mean, because think about this. So let's say you have to go to the bathroom. It's 2 in the morning. I'm going to leave. Let me turn on that light again. So I'm going to open this door, unlock it, because you can't sleep with the bedroom door unlocked. Open this door, lock it, go to this door, unlock it, go in, lock it, go to the bathroom over there. And then when I'm done, come over here and then unlock this one, open it, close it, lock it, go to this one, unlock it, go inside and then lock it again. and somebody lives in there. Because what happens if you leave either of these doors unlocked? Like right now, if I just walk away from that kitchen door, I mean, somebody literally could go in there, right? And they could go into the bathroom. And not that they would. I don't know who that person is over there. I don't know anything about them. I don't know. I mean, this is... yeah, it's an interesting situation. So I guess I'm just stewing on this for a minute or two, but okay. Well, the internet doesn't work, so he has to fix it. So he's going to go buy a cable and come back at 8:30 and then drill holes and then run the internet and get all that stuff taken care of. And then I should have internet tonight. So, you know, on Airbnbs, I mean, look how wonderful this room looks. You know, I mean, if, you know, in the pictures, you really do get to see that it's a wonderful bed and a wonderful TV and a wonderful couch, and it was supposed to have air conditioning, and all the things are in place to be wonderful. A big, huge closet, but it certainly doesn't disclose that your kitchen and bathroom are in a different room. Okay, everybody. Thanks. Bye.